Major Dermot Quinn of the Massachusetts State Police. The Westfield Police Department has requested an Amber Alert for an abducted child, and we need your help. Gabrielle Kozazik may be in extreme danger and was last seen at 1 a.m. in Westfield, Mass. in the area of Woodmont Street. The Westfield Police Department needs your help to locate Gabrielle Kozazik, a white female, 3 months old, brown hair, brown eyes, approximately 2 feet tall, and weighs approximately 12 pounds. Gabrielle is wearing either pink and black striped tights with a fluff clown-like top or a pink nightshirt with mittens. She may be with Cheryl Kozazik, who's a white female, approximately 28 years old, with long brown hair, blonde highlights, worn in a ponytail, 5 foot 4 inches tall, and weighs 115 pounds. She's wearing black army boots with yellow stitches, a tan sports coat, and black jeans. They may be traveling in a gray 2004 Toyota Tacoma pickup truck with Massachusetts license plate registration number 85ZH15. The vehicle has a Westfield State University parking decal on its windows. Anyone with information is asked to call 911. Do not attempt to stop or apprehend the vehicle or the suspect. Please call 911.
Oh my gosh.
That's the perfect relationship that works in my life.
You hear that, people? That was an Amber Alert. A child abduction emergency. That's right, you hear that, folks? An Amber Alert has been issued.